Hey everyone, look at this. Look what got delivered today. You could probably guess what it is from the name on there. Let's go. A new addition to my business. Stay tuned for unboxing. Hi everyone, welcome to the Kitty Workshop. Today, my assistant, my lovely other half, is my husband Lloyd Phipps. Lloyd, say hi.
Hi.
So now, this is one of the biggest investment we're making into the business so far, and this is the All-American Print Supply Company Prestige printer, the A3 Prestige, sorry, for DTF printing. And it's a new technology, well, new as in recent, I think over a year. And a lot of people on YouTube been talking about it. I have not had luck with third-party inks and making and converting printout myself. So I bought a printer from American Print Supply before. So I figure this should be a good place to start because they do all the work for you. And well, they do the conversion for you, I should say. But they seem pretty reputable so far, and the customer service has been good. Like, they call me before shipping it out and stuff like that, and they sent me a set of videos that we can watch to prepare for setting it up and everything like that. So right now, Lloyd is unboxing the crate.
Pretty well packed.
Yeah, like in the earlier video, it all came on a pallet. So we took everything off the pallet, so now we're unboxing the big one first.
This crate provides a lot of protection from being shipped with other boxes, so it could take a pretty good hit. So what's important is the packing material inside, so we're about to see what's going on in here.
Yep.
But so far you can see that took great care in ensuring that this equipment got here safely. So
You need help?
some of them are a little bent, so you just gotta straighten them out. There we go. Is on it?
Yeah, it's fine.
Alright. So come on the side here. Just go. Alright, here we go. You wanna put it on the ground and look, or leave it up top?
Oh, we should bring it down because we have to take the printer out.
Alright. So we're gonna lower the box, the crate, so that you could have a better look to see how the packing material was done. Ready?
Yeah.
Set camera, set up.
Here we go.
Alright, and well, go ahead.
So, like my husband was saying, this is a foam they put on top to prevent shifting. So here we have one of the plates. They include operation manual. They also did a really good job of the videos of how to set up, which is pretty cool. So here we have the containers. And we have another layer of insulation foam. And then there's a print on the inside. So it's going to be two of us to take it out. I think we have to turn it around too. That's the front.
So we're gonna first release the packing so that it creates space so that we can hold the equipment.
I think we should turn it this way.
Okay.
Because this is the back. Turn the crate this way.
Which way?
put the crate. Alright.
Is it a handle?
No, that's the where the paper goes. You got it?
Okay, good, good.
Okay.
There we go. Also, you could see inside another layer of protection. So it was pretty snug, and there wasn't. It prevented movements and any damage to the equipment. So we give them a thumbs up on this one.
Yeah. And always save the crate. Do not throw this away
Okay.
in case we have to send it back for repairs.
Alright. Here we go. To remove the plastic. Oh, this is also good just in case anything got spilled on it. This is also another layer of protection. So plastic is good. This is a plexiglass.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's how inside look. I didn't get the inks and all the other good stuff like the inks and the papers yet. So this is just truly unboxing right now. And then later on, once I get the ink, we'll do the full setup of it.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to us. Thank you very much.